What's up everybody? Welcome to Derek Style. Today I have another sneaker unboxing with you all today. So I have here the Bape Sk8 Stars in the ABC CAMO colorway. So this is in blue. So first thing you'll find when you open up the box, you'll get this roomy dust bag with a Bape head logo on the front. Whoa, here it is. Inside, you will find an extra pair of green camo insoles. It's pretty cool. These to the side, and we have the sneakers here. There it is. So this design comes in 3 colorways: the blue, the pink, and the green. ABC camos. And I'm going to go through the sizing first. I'm going to go through some of the design aspects, and thirdly I'm going to style these. So the sizing, I am a true size 10.5 US. I picked these up in 11, so that's a half size up. I've got wide feet, so I always go up half a size. Same with my dunks, my Air Jordan 1s, I always go up the half size, or else I feel like my feet on the sides start squishing in together. It's not a good feeling. So for those who have normal width feet, definitely go true to size and you'll be fine. Just stay the same size as your Air Jordan 1s and your dunks, you'll be fine. So that's sizing. Let's go through the design aspects. Okay, at the top, it's covered in leather on the top. It's quite thin, so I think feels like a synthetic leather here on the top. So it's not like a really thick leather. On the top of the shoe, in the tongue area, has the Bape Star lettering, and on the side we've got the Bape Star logo running across. Same on the other side of the shoe, the Bape Star. So this shoe stands out from a mile away, so you won't miss these on the street. And moving on to the back of the heel, has embroidered lettering of the Bape Star on the back. And looking at the inside of the shoe, let's have a look. So, well, it has, so on the back of the tongue, it has a message. It says, "A bathing ape, and the Bape Star are trademarks and your guarantee of quality." And it says, "Bape copyright. We are constantly improving and updating our products. We are dedicated to delivering quality products. World gone mad." So you get a little message. I'm sure you can pick it up on the back of the tongue. So it's quite cool. Inside, you see that there's a sizing tag, black sizing tag inside, and you've got your blue ABC camo on the insole and also in the lining of the shoe. So this is a great touch. Yeah, so the camo is very consistent throughout the whole shoe. But I really like that detail. And oh, almost missed that. On the side of the shoe, near the heel, it says 93. So that's the year that Bape was founded, in 1993. We've got a white midsole, and I'm not sure, can the camera pick it up? So Bape lettering over there. So making it across to, let's look at the outsole of the shoe. So this blue outsole. Yeah, with the Bape Star right here. Yep. So this design We definitely see the inspiration from the Nike Dunk. Hence, these shoes are marketed as the skating shoes, okay? The skates. So you can definitely see a lot of Dunk references from this shoe. It's quite light as well, so it's perfect for the summer. And I think it's a good skating shoe as well because of the weight. Yep, the traction is quite good as well from touch. So you definitely get grip on these on the board. Yeah, but if you just want to rock this during summer, it's a perfect shoe. As I said before, you can see these from a mile away. They're super eye-catchy. Okay, so that's the design aspect. I'm going to style these. That's a wrap. Thanks so much for tuning into my video. If you like this, please click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like these in the future, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Thanks so much. See you next time. See you later.